Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Kakuni, melt-in-your-mouth pork belly in a sweet and savory soy glaze. Before we start cooking, what is Kakuni? Kakuni is known for its rich, sweet, and savory flavor and its melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Its roots are said to trace back to Dongpo Rou, a Chinese braised pork dish introduced to Nagasaki, then adapted to Japanese tastes over time. Because it takes hours of gentle simmering, Kakuni is seen as a symbol of care and omotenashi, that is, heartfelt hospitality, so it's often made for celebrations and special occasions. Make it for a small celebration with someone you care about. Alright, let's start cooking. First, parboil the pork. Place the whole block of pork belly into a pot without cutting it. Then add the ginger, the green parts of a long green onion, and water. The smaller the cut surface, the less flavor the meat loses. Bring it to a boil over high heat. After boiling for 5 minutes, skim off the scum and lower the heat. Cover with a drop lid or parchment paper. Rinse it quickly under lukewarm water. This parboiling step removes unwanted odors and impurities, leaving the flavor clean and clear. Cover with plastic wrap to prevent drying, let it cool slightly, then refrigerate. Do the same with the parboiling liquid. Let it cool slightly, then refrigerate. Cut into 1.5 to 2 inch cubes. By cutting it after parboiling, the edges stay clean, less flavor escapes, and excess fat is reduced, so the final taste is more refined. Remove the solidified fat from the surface of the parboiling liquid. We'll use it in the next step. Any leftover liquid can also be reused in soups, hot pots, or other simmered dishes. Add the cubed pork to a pot. Then add soy sauce, sake, mirin, sugar, honey, garlic, ginger, and a splash of vinegar. Add about 2 cups of the parboiling liquid with the fat removed. Using the parboiling liquid adds even more depth of flavor. Add water until the pork is just covered. Simmer over medium-low heat. Avoid cooking over high heat as it will tighten the lean meat and make it tough. Maintain a gentle, steady simmer, small bubbles rising softly, and cook for 40 to 50 minutes. During the last 10 minutes, remove the lid and simmer uncovered to reduce the sauce and add a glossy finish. If you're serving soft-boiled eggs on the side, add them to the sauce at this stage. For detailed instructions on the side dishes, check the link in the description. The pork is very tender, so toward the end, gently tilt the pot and spoon the sauce over the meat to avoid breaking it apart. The sauce doesn't need to reduce completely. Leaving about 10 to 20% is ideal. Any leftover sauce makes a versatile all-purpose seasoning. Try using it in stir fries or fried rice.
Itadakimasu.
Serve with soft-boiled eggs, bok choy, and shredded white leeks if you like. For detailed instructions, check the link in the description. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.